New Apple Watch? Here's how to pair it with your iPhone. Before we get your watch set up, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, is connected to Wi-Fi, and has Bluetooth turned on. You'll also need to keep your iPhone and your Apple Watch close to each other during the entire setup process. Depending on your Apple Watch model and iPhone settings, your setup process might vary a bit. All right, let's get started. To turn on your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. When your Apple Watch and iPhone are close together, a message will pop up on your iPhone, prompting you to start the pairing process. Tap Continue on your iPhone to start pairing. If you don't see this message, open the Apple Watch app and tap Start Pairing. Next, hold your iPhone over the animation on your watch and center the watch face in the viewfinder. Wait for a message saying your Apple Watch is paired. Now you're ready to select your preferences. On your iPhone, tap Set up Apple Watch. Then choose which wrist to wear your Apple Watch on. If you agree to the terms and conditions, tap Agree. Now choose whether you want your Apple Watch to track your workout route and have access to weather reports. This uses location services. On the next screen, you'll see which settings your iPhone shares with your Apple Watch. Now choose whether you want to create a passcode. You'll need a passcode for features like Apple Pay. Next, you'll learn about the heart health features on Apple Watch. Your watch can notify you if it detects a resting heart rate that's below normal or higher than usual. If you already have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone, you'll need to re-enter your security information here by tapping Continue. To set up Apple Pay later, tap Set up Later in the Apple Watch app. Next, you'll see some information about Emergency SOS. This feature is ready to go by default. If you ever need to use it, just press and hold the side button to automatically contact your local emergency services. If you have an Apple Watch Series 4, your watch can call emergency services automatically if it detects a hard fall. You'll find more information about fall detection here on the Emergency SOS screen. Now tap Continue. If you have a cellular Apple Watch, you can set up your cellular settings here. Then you'll choose which apps to sync from your iPhone to your watch. Tap Install All to sync all of the iPhone apps that are compatible with your Apple Watch. Or tap Choose Later to sync only basic information like mail, contacts, and messages. Now just wait for your iPhone and Apple Watch to sync. Depending on the amount of data you're syncing, this might take a little while. When it's finished, you'll hear a chime, or if you put your Apple Watch on, you'll feel a gentle tap, and then you're good to go. Win at life, one day at a time, with the Activity app on your Apple Watch and iPhone. Here's how it works. Open the Activity app on your Apple Watch to get a quick glimpse of your activity rings. The red Move ring tracks all of your daily activity, from biking to work, to dancing at a concert, or even walking outside to get the mail. You can customize your Move goal based on how active you are, or how active you'd like to be. The green exercise ring shows how many minutes of brisk activity you've completed. Whether you're just moving at a fast pace or doing a specific workout in the Workout app, you'll close this ring if you exercise for at least 30 minutes. The blue stand ring motivates you to get up throughout the day. If you've been sitting for too long, your watch will nudge you to stand up and move around. Do it at least 1 minute every hour for 12 hours and you'll be set. Want more details about your daily activity? Scroll down to see how close you are to meeting your daily goals. And keep scrolling to see how many steps you've taken. You can also firmly press the display to check up on your weekly progress or change your Move goal. This is the only goal that you can adjust. Are you sharing your activity with friends? Swipe left to check their progress for the day. Firmly press the display to sort your list of friends based on their daily activity. Tap a contact to see their rings. And scroll down to challenge them to a little friendly competition. From here, you can also send a message to cheer them on. The Activity app syncs all this information on your iPhone too, and makes it easy for you to look back at your activity history to really track your progress. Let's take a look. Open the Activity app on your iPhone to see your rings. In the History tab, tap the month on the upper left to see a calendar of your daily activity. Tap the Workouts tab to see all the workouts you've completed and how many calories you've burned. If you tap the Awards tab, you'll get to see the badges you've earned. Nice! There are a few ways to earn an award. Did you win a challenge against a friend? You get an award. Did you go on a hike on Earth Day? You get a super special limited edition award. Did you try a new workout or close your rings for an entire week? Yep, you get an award plus some bragging rights. Some awards can be earned multiple times, so get ready to break your own record. Close your rings, earn a shiny award, win at life, and keep track with the Activity app on your Apple Watch and iPhone. Customize your Apple Watch face to look the way you want and display your most used features and shortcuts. Here's how. First, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Then, select one of your watch faces from the My Faces section. This is the infograph face, which has 8 complications to show you helpful information and details about your day. Some watch faces, including infograph, let you change their color scheme. Select a new color if you'd like to switch it up. Now let's edit our complications. Complications give you quick access to your favorite apps and tools, like Battery or Walkie Talkie. You can also see information at a glance, like your activity or current heart rate. Choose which complications you'd like to see on your watch face and where you want them to be displayed. Your changes will appear on your watch and in the preview window at the top of the Watch app as soon as you make them. And that's it. You can make as many faces or variations of them as you like. From your backyard to the kitchen or a beach hut to a ski lodge, Walkie Talkie lets you chat back and forth using your Apple Watch, no matter the distance. Here's how to get started. First, make sure your Apple Watch is running watchOS 5. Not sure how to update? Check out the link in the description below. To start using Walkie Talkie, press the digital crown to go to the home screen, then open the Walkie Talkie app. You'll see a list of suggested contacts that you can use Walkie Talkie with. Tap on a contact name to send them an invite. Once they accept, you'll see their card turn yellow and you'll receive a notification. To add more people to your list, tap the yellow back button in the upper left corner of your watch. Scroll down and tap the plus sign, and then tap another suggested contact to send them an invite. Once your friend is accepted, you're ready to chat. Tap Open Walkie Talkie to start. Then, touch and hold the talk button to start chatting back and forth. Whoa, check out the snow forecast. And just release the talk button when you're done talking. If your friend is unavailable, you'll see this screen. Oh well, let's try another friend. Tap OK. Then tap the yellow back button and select another contact. Now touch and hold the talk button again. Got an extra lift ticket, you in? Then release the talk button when you're done. When your friend responds, you'll hear their voice immediately and without a notification.
Yeah, let's go.
Just like that. If you don't want to be reached on Walkie Talkie, let your contacts know you're not available. Tap the yellow back button, scroll up, and turn off your availability. Turning Do Not Disturb on, or using theater mode will also turn off your availability. Copy that.